Welcome back everybody to spring. The springtime's finally here. We're getting excited to get out into the lawn, and we look outside and it is looking brown, it's looking yellow. I'm going to give you 2 tips that's going to help you be able to go out there and get a quick green lawn. One of the questions I get a lot this time of year is, why is my lawn brown? Why is my lawn yellow? There's a bunch of YouTube videos on this. I do have one of why my lawn is yellow, so if you want to go check that out, you can. But this episode is going to pretty much tell you everything you need to know about it. The quickest way to get your lawn green is simply just to paint it. Now, I'm completely kidding. If it's in the off season, maybe if you have dormant Bermuda or a warm season grass that's gone brown, yeah, you can paint your lawn. But in the springtime, I don't recommend it. Let the lawn do what it's going to do on its own. One of the ways that I like to green up my lawn quickly is not actually using any products at all. Once you start having some warmer days, you're getting free from the frost. Right now I'm in Pennsylvania, and we're having temps getting down to the upper 30s, but overnight. But during the day they're getting in the 50s. So within a couple weeks, I'm going to be able to get out there and start mowing. So I'll go out, I'll grab my mower, I'll put a battery in it, or I'll put some fresh gas in it. Grab your bagger, hook it up. You're going to take it a notch lower. Maybe add another notch and a half lower. The point of this is you're going to be cutting that tip, that brown or yellow tip off of your grass. It's also going to wake the grass up, and it's going to say, hey, I'm ready to start growing. If you have some areas that are matted down or some snow mold, take a rake to it, rake it up, and then do your mowing. Just by doing this step alone, you're going to see an instant green up just by taking that brown hue off of your lawn. If you want to take the next step further, go outside and you can start putting down fertilizer. And my recommendation for you is that before you put down fertilizer, grab yourself a soil test. And if that seems foreign to you or is something new to you, after this video is over, go and take a look at it. It's going to tell you what a soil test is, some of the items that a soil test is going to read for you, and it's also going to just give you a roadmap of what type of fertilizers you're going to need or not need in your lawn. So after our soil test is done, we can go outside, we can grab ourselves some fertilizer. You can go to a big box store, you can use anyone that really fits your budget. I've used Propete, I've used Higher Bricks, or you can go as simple and cheap as using some ammonia sulfate, some AMS. I would recommend you using something that's more quick release. That means it can be water soluble. So when you put it down, you water it in, or you time it around a rainstorm, it's going to dissolve and it's going to be immediate nutrients for your lawn. You're not going to want to do a super heavy rate of this though, because if you start going above half pound to a pound of nitrogen, you're going to start pushing incredible growth right at the same time that it's starting to warm up. So the temps in the air plus the amount of food you just gave your lawn, you're going to see this massive increase in growth, and you're going to be mowing every day, every other day, which it sounds like fun, but it's actually bad for the turf, because every time you mow, you're actually stressing the turf out. Or if you want to use a liquid this time of year in a backpack sprayer or a hose sprayer, you can also do that. Time around some rain. This is Simple On Solutions 15015. This little quart covers about 3,200 square feet. It's like $20-30 for a quart of this. So that's one of the things I like to use in my lawn this time of year as well. You can also get some urea, melt that down, put it in a backpack sprayer and spray your lawn too. Just make sure you're timing it around rain, because I don't think that your sprinklers are going to be up and running this time of year. So whether it's a immediate release granular or a liquid, both of those types of fertilizer, just watch how much you're putting down this time of year, and you're going to start to see a greener lawn. So by the time you did your first application there of a light dose, you're going to see a greener lawn. You're probably going to be mowing a time or two, and you're going to be getting your soil test results back. After your soil test results are back, you can then look at that roadmap, see how much nitrogen you might need for the year, how much phosphorus, how much potassium, and any other micronutrients that you might need. But more importantly, you're going to be able to see the pH. So the pH is basically what's going to help your plant absorb any of the nutrients that you put down, which is one of the most important aspects of your soil test. So again, in a nutshell, mow your lawn, take it a notch or two lower, bag it, and then put down a light dose of fertilizer, like an immediate release fertilizer. You're going to see a greener lawn immediately from the mowing, but within a week or two, you're going to start to see that the lawn is growing up and you're mowing more, it's waking the turf up, and you're going to have a greener looking lawn. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.